Hey guys, so working on the 12 valve again, just kind of getting some stuff cleaned up, and we're going to put the front cover on. So as you guys seen to start with, I just finished painting the injection pump. Actually looks really nice. So that's what color. Looks really red in the video, but so here's the front cover. We're going to paint the front cover red, but I'm going to put it on first. And then I'm going to tape the engine off and paint it because I want to paint the bolts and stuff too. So, and then sorry for the background noise. I got the parts washer on. I got the injection lines in there. So we got the thermostat housing painted and the water pump painted. So just waiting for that stuff to dry. So anyways, we got to get the front seal in this thing. This is the kit. So this is a Speedy Sleeve kit. It's very similar to the rear one. The crankshaft does have some wear on it. I like using these anyway. And there's the seal. This is a dust seal. I never use those. I find that they leak if you do. And there is the install tool. So what I'll have to do is get this punched out of there first. So So you can just knock the old seal out, just crack it sideways, it comes right out. Pretty simple. As you guys can see in the background there, the sanding blocks are laying up there. I haven't got to, I drilled, I got half of them done. I thought I had more handles, but the box that I thought had handles in it did not. So I ordered more handles. So as soon as we have the handles, I will get them things finished up one night, and I'll get back to everybody that hasn't, that got in touch with me that wanted one. So as soon as I have that done, obviously I'll do that. But anyways, back to what we're doing here. So I got this cover cleaned up pretty good. I just got to do maybe a little tiny bit of Scotch-Brite on it. But seal. Okay, so this is going to be on the outside. Your main lip is always going to go towards the oil like this. So set it in there. This is your install tool, which goes on top. And then for these ones, you could do this a bunch of different ways. This is how I do it. So this is an install tool for seals, and it's like the perfect size for sitting inside there. So what I do is you just get this lined up, get the seal. You want to get the seal straight to start with, because all I do is give it one good whack. And that is pretty much all it takes. It's nice and straight. So it's literally like a couple good whacks on it. Just, you want to tap it so it's kind of straight to start with. You can tell whether this is straight, you know, like when this edge is going around there. You can tell whether it's straight or if it's started in straight. And I give her one good whack and then one more to finish it off. And that is literally all it takes. I see lots of guys fumbling with them. They're really not that hard to do. After you've done it, I've done a bunch, so I guess this is just red Scotch-Brite. I just wanted to, not that it's really that dirty, but just a little bit of rust on it, so I just wanted to knock the bumps off the rust, just so it looks a little bit nicer. So there we are. Just gonna give it a quick blow job here. So we're gonna take the, oh actually let's do that first. So this is the install tool, so you get it over top of the crankshaft. See if I can. You just need to slide it in there, make sure you don't have the inside of that seal rolled. Pretty simple to put it in. This we have to go install on the crankshaft. So we are going to get rid of this install tool. The install tool, when you buy MUL seals, comes with it every time. So I shouldn't say every time, most times, but I keep them in my toolbox, a couple. So if you guys don't have, I would recommend to keep a couple in your toolbox if you're planning on doing this. If you get one, just make sure you have one that way, right? So, okay, let's go over there. Okay, so something that you do want to take into consideration, I got the gear in there, I shouldn't have it in there yet because it's going to fall out of my foot, is make sure this surface is clean. So this is that tool that I've been talking about, the one with the carbide edge on it. I'll link it in the description again, just for you guys that didn't see it the first time. But it works really good to peel off paint and that type of stuff, because it's a sharp edge, but it's not sharp, if that makes sense. But you want this surface to be clean. Okay. Okay, so I've got that cleaned off. Good, we need to have it cleaned off. This is actually one of the few spots that I do usually use a gasket. I don't always use one, but I might be changing this front cover. So this is the gasket that comes in the kit, and then what I do is I put high tack on it. So I'll just spray it over here just so I don't want to get it on the camera. So that, I just get it so it's shiny on both sides, and then we're just gonna hang it up until we get ready to use it, which is just a couple minutes. So, and like I said, I'll put a link of this in the description as well, which I have before, for you guys that want to use it. Any of the stuff that I put. Well guys, running into some technical difficulties. I'm not sure what happened, but for some reason the camera quit recording there and I didn't realize it did. So I got the front cover on and I painted the front cover and put the speedy sleeve on. But what I'll do is I got another engine that I have to put together that I have to do a speedy sleeve and front cover on. So I'll show you on that engine, hopefully on Monday, and then I'll post it
in the next video. So I guess that'll be the end for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, anything you got on the go, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.